Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jessina. If you're new to the channel, our channel, click the subscribe button down below. Subscribe, join the family, join the gang. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking my video. I so much appreciate and love you. Okay, yes, I know I'm in a hotel. Yes, I'm currently in a hotel. Today is my uncle's birthday. I didn't know it was gonna turn out like this, so I didn't think of vlogging. But since it's going to be a big thing, not really that big, but my cousins are coming from Enugu, so I decided to pick up my phone and vlog. So guys, since I really don't have anything I'm doing currently, I will take you guys around the hotel, show you guys how the hotel is. The hotel is really beautiful. So that is the next clip you're going to see. Then I'll get you guys updated in case there's a change of plan or any other thing. See you. So guys, when you walk into the room, the first thing you see by your right is the switch for the light and heater. Then by your left is a mirror. Opposite the mirror is the toilet and the bathroom, guys. It is really beautiful. So guys, that's my towel, my sponge and my swimsuit. That's the trash can. I already disposed something. So guys, this is like a work table. That's my slippers under the table. I changed it to a bedroom slippers. That's the mini fridge. It's just water inside. So that's the wardrobe. It's just my bag and my clothes inside. Obviously that's the bed. So that's my ring light down, and it has two side drawers. That's the AC. I love this art, guys. So that's the first bedside drawer. Inside is my power bank, TV remote and the intercom menu. Guys, this is the best part of this whole room, this couch. I love it. How long will it take? Oh, okay, and a bottle of water. Thank you so much. Okay. My food is here. Good morning. Yes, sir. Yes. You just put the bill in. You understand, right? Whoa. So guys, here is my food. I ordered white rice. I didn't order for salad, but I added salad. So this is my stew with goat meat, and this is my bottled water. I forgot to tell her not to get a cold one. I don't take cold water, but I'll chill. So let's get to it. So guys, a quick update. My nails just went off. One of my nails just went off, and it is the middle finger. The thing will not just let me shine this night. Can you imagine? So guys, it's currently 10:32 and my cousins are not yet here. 10:32 p.m. and they're not yet here. They're always like night worker. God. And this nail self will come on to the prepare my body. I could see the wait for them as I charge my phone, because I'm going to vlog a lot this night. That is if anything interesting is going to happen. So guys, my cousins are finally here. This is my cousin's wife. That's my cousin over there, guys.